clear Google search and browsing history on any Android device. So simply, first thing, if you want to delete the Chrome history, so simply get into the section, tap on settings, and here tap on history. Now, as you can see, there is a lot of history right here. So there is an option of clear browsing data. Tap on the clear browsing data from here. Now you would see a option of all time. If you want to delete all the histories, etc., etc., then you can do that thing. Otherwise, you have to simply select for, like, I want to delete history of last 15 minutes. So tap on the browsing history, tap on cookies and data, cached images. So when you clear the cookies, suppose if you are logged in into Facebook, Instagram using your Chrome or your web browser, you will be signed out of from those websites. So simply say this, tap on clear data, and here you will clear all the cached browsing data on your Chrome. And similarly, if you want to do this for Google app, suppose you have searched something in the Google app, so here is how you can do it. Simply get into your Google app, tap on your profile from the top right hand side, tap on search history, and here you will see options, few options. You can delete your entire search history by tapping delete and then all time. So this is a delete option. Now there is an option to delete today's Google history. There is another option to delete a custom range. You can select the days of which you want to delete history of. Now delete all time. If you want to delete all the history, simply tap on delete all the history. Now this is how you can delete browsing data or clear Google search history on any Android device.